Hello aviation fans. Today we are exploring the JAS-39 Gripen, a lightweight marvel from the innovative minds of Sweden. Developed by Saab, the Gripen is a fourth-generation fighter jet known for its affordability, versatility, and advanced avionics. This compact jet is surprisingly powerful. It reaches a top speed of Mach 2 and boasts a service ceiling exceeding 50,000 feet. Its single F414G afterburning turbofan engine provides excellent performance for its size. The Gripen excels in air superiority and ground attack missions. Its advanced avionics and diverse weapon system make it a cost-effective option for smaller air forces. The Gripen provides a strong air defense platform for Sweden and other nations, offering advanced capabilities at a lower cost. The Jet-39 Gripen proves size doesn't define power. Let us know what lightweight fighter jet you like to see next.